So you probably have seen the inbox system from Cloth and Paper, and you kind of sat there and wondered, how can I actually use this? Who is it really for, right? So today I'm going to walk through with you a few different ways that I think you can not only use it, we'll also pull up Cloth and Paper's recent video where they're kind of showing you just a basic way, that a functional way that you can actually use it. But I'm going to break down who is it actually for. So if you're brand new to minimalist planning, if you're brand new to Cloth and Paper's inbox system, or you just wanted to get some ideas of how to use it, this video is going to be for you. Hey guys, what's happening? It's Meshi with Aligned Plans. Thank you so much for coming by. So today I wanted to do something slightly different than your traditional unboxing video or certain planning tips. I really wanted to highlight one of the systems that is so great from Cloth and Paper, but I feel like the video that they have made recently is super helpful, but I think that they have missed a mark on a couple of things that I'm going to be talking to you about today. So I wanted to kind of highlight who is it really for and how can you use the inbox system in the most functional way. So why don't we pull up the video and I will walk you through with it step by step. So why don't we just do just that? And of course, if you are brand new here, thank you so much for coming by. I'm so glad that you are here. If this is the first time that we're meeting, well, hello. I am the voice and the person behind Aligned Plans. And we talk at least about 1 to 2 times a week here. We talk about anything and everything minimalist planning and how we can use these beautiful intentional tools in the most intentional way. So if that sounds good, you would probably like sticking around. All right, let's go over to my desk, to my desktop, and I will actually just walk you through what's happening within the video if you haven't actually seen it from Cloth and Paper, but also where I think they kind of missed the mark. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so here is the actual original video that I mentioned from Cloth and Paper when we're talking about their inbox and outbox system. So here you can kind of see as we go through not only what does the inbox and outbox system comes with, but just a basic demonstration of sort of how to use it. So the idea is that you basically have an insert that has about 10 boxes, and then you sort of get this glass cover. So first there's a divider, and then there's this glass cover that sort of shows that you can kind of add sticky notes on there, and then the outbox system is sort of like where all the things that you have done are already there, essentially. So the idea behind it is that you basically write down, it's sort of like a brain dump. You write down everything that you have in your head as all of your to-do list, everything that is included, and then we're seeing here how we're using sort of like the color coordination system of like which category it belongs to. Now right here, the color coordination, I love that idea. I think that it's fantastic, especially if you need your tasks categorized. It's ideal for you. Also, if you're a mom and you have like multiple children and you wanted to kind of just like do a full brain dump of like what's going on with each of them, or if you have a business and then you wanted to subcategorize certain things, then it's fantastic for that. Now the sticky notes come in. I kind of view the sticky notes as something where if you don't have the insert, get the sticky note. You know what I mean? Get the glass and the inbox, outbox sticky notes. It's fantastic, especially on the go. You add it into your planner if you're on the go, and then you kind of write down what has already been done and what is still needs to be taken care of. Personally, I don't think it's for those of you that already have your weekly layout and your daily layout, because as you can see here, like we put a bunch of the sticky notes here, and then after that, when you're ready, then you can move them into another section of your planner, into the outbox. Personally, to me, that kind of feels like as I'm looking at all of these sticky notes, I'm already getting overwhelmed. And if you're not, then that's perfect, and the system is totally for you. Me personally, seeing a clutter of sticky notes, it just feels so overwhelming because I just feel like I need to take care of those tasks immediately. So just keep that in the back of your mind, like see how that actually fits into your planning system. Now, another person that it would be totally ideal for is someone who only has like a monthly view, and then they don't necessarily need a weekly layout, but they would need like sort of like a note section type of thing. Then the inbox outbox system would be perfect for. So my husband would be one of those people where he just has sort of like a monthly, he doesn't necessarily use the weekly, because sometimes he just makes a ton of notes, and then this would be a really great organizational system for him to just kind of shuffle what is something that is priority that needs taken care of and what is something that has already been taken care of and I don't have to worry about it anymore. And then he can kind of color coordinate it if he really wants to, but like guys are much simpler than that. So those are the 3 main ways that I found it to be helpful and useful, and I wanted to really use this video so that I'm not redoing the whole thing for you. So hopefully you have found this somewhat helpful now that you actually understand what the inbox and outbox system is. So if you've enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to the channel if you have not yet already. And just let me know if you guys want to see more of these types of reaction videos, because I would love to create them for you. I think that they are very helpful when we're seeing different tutorials or just different videos showcasing sort of how to use certain tools from different brands. So if you're finding this useful, let me know in the comments section. And in the meanwhile, keep planning, you guys, and just keep shining your light. And I cannot wait to see you